Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi TV P1, and today I will show you the speaker sound quality test. So I will play that no copyright music from YouTube at the highest quality. As you can see, it's currently set up on the HD, the highest quality that you can find on the YouTube and this TV. And let's start so you can enjoy the speaker of that device. Okay, so as you can hear, that's how that speaker sound. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.